Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your microphone settings to the built-in option on Telegram. This is especially useful if your voice messages are picking up the wrong microphone or not sounding the way you expect. Let's go step by step so you can fix this in less than a minute. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your chats. Next, look at the top corner of your screen and tap on the menu icon, the three horizontal lines. This will open up the main navigation panel. From here, tap on Settings. This is where Telegram keeps all of your customization and app preferences. Once you're inside Settings, go ahead and tap on Chat Settings. This section controls how your chats behave, including media and audio options. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Media and Sound. Take your time here, as there are several options listed. Under this section, you'll see an option called Microphone for voice messages. Tap on it to continue. You'll now see different microphone options available on your device. To make sure Telegram uses your phone's internal mic, simply select Built-in. As soon as you choose it, the setting will be applied automatically. There's no need to save anything. And that's it. From now on, your voice messages will be recorded using your device's built-in microphone, which usually gives you more consistent and reliable audio quality. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more quick Telegram tips to improve your experience.